Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing y'all my 2020 holiday gift guide, and I am so excited for this video because I've actually never done a gift guide here on my YouTube channel before. I've done gift guides in the past over on my blog, but I thought it would be a lot more fun and probably a lot more helpful to actually sit down and talk about each gift. And this video is extra special because it is in partnership with Mejrui. You guys know I am jewelry obsessed, and all the pieces that I wear every single day are from Mejrui. You guys always ask about the jewelry that I have on, all my dainty necklaces and my earrings and my rings, and so it's really cool that Mejrui wanted to partner with me on this gift guide. I'm going to be sharing some of their pieces that I feel like would be the best gifts this time of year, and you guys know I am a Mejrui affiliate, so if you do want 10% off of your Mejrui order, you can always use my link down below in the description box and save a little bit of money. Let's go ahead and get into the gift guide. I'm going to be sharing a bunch of different price points, but I'm actually going to be starting in the top tier. I feel like these are the home run gifts that are $250 and over, and Mejrui definitely falls into that category. I love that Mejrui has a bunch of different price points, so you can get a piece that's under $100, or you can really splurge and get an investment piece that is going to be an heirloom piece that will last for forever. So if you guys have seen my Mejrui collection video, you know that I am all about investing in quality jewelry pieces that I personally never take off, things that I'm always wearing every single day and that I don't have to worry about. And Mejrui has a bunch of solid gold pieces that are just gorgeous and will stand the test of time. So the first piece that I feel like is such a good heirloom investment piece is this ring right here. This is called the Charlotte ring, and it is a 14 karat solid gold ring that has the most beautiful texture on it. I've actually got it stacked with the duo ring, which is also from Mejrui, and this one is really cool because they're interlocked. But both of these rings, like I said, are solid gold. These are pieces that are never gonna turn on you. You never have to worry about with lotion or anything like that. These are just gorgeous quality investment pieces. The next piece that I feel like would make an incredible gift this year is the diamond letter pendant. This is such a beautiful dainty pendant. I feel like this would be the perfect gift for a spouse or for a best friend. You could also get this pendant for a new mom and get the letter of the child's name. You can really customize this. It also has a big enough loop on the pendant itself so that you can change out the chain. Right now I've got it paired with the 14 karat gold chain, and I just love how it lays. This is the perfect necklace for somebody who likes really dainty jewelry, but it's also great for layering. As you can see, I've got it layered with all of my other Mejrui pieces, so I really like how it lays with other pieces. And since it is a diamond pendant, again, that is going to be such a special gift to give, something that they're going to hold on to for a really long time. And then another piece that I just recently got that I feel like would make such a great gift are these Pav diamond hoop earrings. These are so beautiful by themselves. You don't have to wear them as a second. You can wear them as your main earring, or you can double them up with a bigger, bolder hoop. But I love these earrings because they are so delicate but also really elegant because you do have the diamonds. So if you have somebody in your life who is a diamond lover, or you yourself are a diamond lover and you're looking to splurge, I feel like these earrings are just so classic and beautiful. And again, they are small enough to where if you don't like something super bold, they are just gorgeous by themselves as a dainty earring. But like I mentioned before, Mejrui does have a bunch of pieces at different price points, so whether you're looking to spend under $100 or you want to really invest in an heirloom piece, they have something for everyone. So like I said, I will link these pieces down below as well as my discount. And the best part is that Mejrui jewelry does come kind of already wrapped in their really nice Mejrui box, so all you have to do is wrap the box that it comes shipped in, and it's super easy, and it's just such a meaningful gift. Like I said, I love jewelry. It's something that I wear every single day, so jewelry to me is just a really special gift. Another kind of big ticket item that I feel like would be such a good gift is the T3 curling iron set. I have this. I personally use it every time I curl my hair, and it gives you the best beachy waves. The nice thing about this curling iron is that the barrel is interchangeable, so you can switch between sizes depending on if you want a super tight curl or you want something a little bit more loose loose and like wavy. So I really like my T3 curling iron. I've been using it for a couple of years now. I've never had any problems with it. It is a little bit pricey, but I feel like it is something that you'll just use for a really long time and a lot during the year. Another gift that I feel like would be a really good gift for somebody who loves to cook are the caraway pans. We got those earlier this year and they have been incredible. I love them so much. They are just beautiful and you can get them in these gorgeous colors. They're non-stick, they're non-toxic, and I believe they come with these organizers where you can stand them up and have your cabinet be so organized and beautiful. So they are a little bit pricey, but I honestly feel like they are perfect for the kitchen, perfect for anybody who loves to cook. Jason and I use them every single night and we really love them. So now moving into the under $250 category, the first thing that I feel like would be a really cool and unique gift and something that we've really liked having are our lights from Gantry. These are super unique, super modern. So if you know someone who is a little bit like artsy or wants something that's different than what you get in like Target, these lights are really unique and they add such a cool vibe to a room. They have a bunch of different styles. Some of them are 3D printed, but each style of light is designed by an independent designer. So they're really cool and I feel like they just change the mood in the room. So there's a bunch of different kinds and they do have a few different price points, but these ones kind of fell into this category. Next, I feel like the Béis luggage would be a really good gift. I know we're not traveling a ton right now, but I do feel like this luggage is some of the best luggage that I've seen in a while because of its design. I love the way that it's laid out. It has a divider that actually has a bunch of pockets in it, so it's super functional, and they have it in this gorgeous like black and then this tan color. They also have it in like blush pink and sage green, so it comes in like really pretty colors and it's just a very well thought out piece of luggage, which I feel like is something that you don't really appreciate until you're an adult and you're like, I need a new piece of luggage. So that is something that I also have really like appreciated this year. Another thing is our Fellow Stag EKG kettle. This is an electric kettle that is perfect for pour overs. It is the kettle that Jason used when he worked at a coffee shop, and so it's like a very well known and loved kettle. This is a brand that we have just supported for forever. We love Fellow. We bought our first kettle from them in 2016 and we've just been using their stuff ever since. They make the best coffee gear, and so if you or the person that you're getting a gift for is coffee obsessed and really just wants a nice kettle to do pour overs with or tea, this is an incredible kettle and they are so aesthetic. We have the black one with the walnut handle and it's so beautiful and people ask about it all the time. It is a little bit pricey for a water kettle, but I'm telling you guys, it has like a weighted body so that it pours very consistently. It's very well thought out, it's very well designed. Another thing that I feel like would be a really good gift, and this is actually something that is on my personal Christmas list this year, is an air fryer. I've been wanting an air fryer all year long. I feel like everybody's been posting about their air fryers and we've been wanting to get one that is an air fryer and toaster oven. So I feel like having both functions would actually be really great because then you don't have to have a toaster oven and an air fryer and have all these bulky appliances. I feel like the combination would just be a home run for a gift. So I personally am asking for an air fryer this year, but I feel like that would also just be such a good gift for anybody who likes to cook as well. If you do have somebody who you are getting jewelry for or they have a bunch of jewelry already, the mejrui jewelry box is actually so great because it's large. You can remove the tray and store more jewelry underneath, and it's one of those like larger jewelry boxes to where you can keep it on your dresser and it looks really nice. So I thought I would throw that in there as well. Now for the under $100 gifts, for some reason I could not find many gifts that fell in the under $100 but like over $50 category, but I do think the Béis travel case for cosmetics would be a really good gift because it's super large and it can hold everything. It also has a mirror that you can slide into it, so that feels like a really good gift. And again, it does come in cream and sage and blush and really gorgeous colors that can match your travel carry-on bag. They're so well designed. Another thing that I feel like would be a really good gift is the Olive and June winter manicure set. I think it comes with like 8 color polishes, top coat, polish remover, file, clippers, everything. So you can do your entire at-home manicure with everything in that box, and they have some of the best polishes. I actually have their polish on right now in silver, and I use their polishes all the time. The other thing that I feel like would be a really good gift under $100 is the mejrui travel case. So this isn't the one that sits on your dresser, but this is one that you can pack. So you can have your travel case for jewelry, your case for cosmetics, and your really cute matching carry-on. But I feel like whenever I have a bunch of jewelry, I want to keep it really safe and secure when I'm traveling. Or if you really just don't want to have a jewelry box, this is a really good size case to keep all of your jewelry secure and keep it away from dust. For the under $50 category, the first thing that I have is the Tarte in Bloom palette. This is probably my favorite eyeshadow palette from 2020. This is one of the most versatile palettes that I can even think of. It is just so good. It has your super light shades, your shimmer shades, your matte shades, and your really deep shades. And I've talked a couple friends into getting it already, so that's how much I love it. I rave about it all the time. The shadows are super pigmented, and I love this palette. Another thing from Fellow that I feel like would be really good that's under $50 is their Carter Move mug. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me post about most of the stuff that I've already talked about, but I always post about this Carter mug because it is the best just travel mug. It's insulated, it has a splash guard in it so that if you're driving or if you're riding a bike or if you're going on a walk, you're not gonna like splash up coffee on you and get it all over your clothes. So we use our Carter mugs literally every single day. I'm actually the slowest coffee drinker on planet Earth, and so I like to keep my coffee warm all day, so I'll put it in the Carter mug and then I'll like pour a little bit out kind of as I want to drink it into like a smaller mug. I know it's very complicated, but it keeps my coffee hot pretty much all day long. So we love that. We also use them for road trips, and they're just the best. They fit in cup holders. I recommend the Carter Move mug instead of the Carter Everywhere mug. You guys know I have to throw in something from Glossier because I just love Glossier. I feel like their Glossier skincare edit set is such a good set for anybody who is wanting to get into Glossier or try out a bunch of different products from their skincare line. I think this is the cutest set ever. They have mini balm.coms, mini future dews, mini just everything, and it's so cute. And this is actually exactly $50, but I thought I would throw it in here anyway because it's like $50 and under kind of category. But I've gifted these before in the past and people love them. I just feel like they are such a win. The packaging is great. They're just really fun because you get to try a bunch of different things, and it's a really good set. Another thing that I feel like would be a really great gift and something that I've used a lot this year is the Free People Movement crop tank bra. I use this to work out. I also use it just as a bra under sweaters because it has a really wide band so you can tuck your sweaters up underneath it. It is honestly just so comfortable, and it's a great bra to have. Also comes in 13 colors, so you can basically choose whatever color that the person you're getting the gift would want. Another thing that I feel like would be so good, and it just popped off this year, is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer Brush. I actually bought one of these, I think back in March or April, and I use it all the time. If you are really bad at doing blowouts or you just want to like take your styling game up another level without having to put much effort in, this blowout brush is honestly incredible, and it is a really good price. I don't use it to like fully dry my hair, I just use it to like style it, but it just makes you look like you came out of the salon. Your hair will look so good and smooth, and I honestly can't believe it's under $50 because it is just such a steal. Okay, so for $25 and under, I have a bunch of little cute things that I feel like would be really great gifts for girlfriends or stocking stuffers. The first thing that I have on my list that I have used just nonstop this year is the Glossier Cloud Paint and the Glossier Balm.com. The Cloud Paint is truly one of my favorite blushes I've ever used, and they have a bunch of different shades now, and to me it is one of the best products from Glossier, and I feel like who wouldn't love a cloud paint blush? Those are like a cult favorite, so they're so good. Along with the Balm.com, I feel like those are the two like iconic Glossier products. Maybe the Boy Brow as well, but the Balm.com and the cloud paint I feel like anybody would love. The Balm.com is just a great lip balm, and I feel like I'm personally always losing my chapsticks and my lip balm, so I feel like getting a girlfriend a Glossier Balm.com would be a really nice gift. Another thing that I feel like would be a really cute gift for a girlfriend are some of the Free People scrunchies. They have the best little accessories. Like Free People and Anthropologie, I feel like have all of the things that you don't really need, but like that you can easily grab. And to me, the scrunchies, every time I see them in the store, I'm like, I really want one of those. Like the big silk ones, I feel like are so cute and they're just like really, really fun. So I feel like that would be a really great gift. And they also come in a bunch of colors, so you can match it to each of your friends and pick out their favorite color. And I just think that would be a really cute gift as well. Another thing that I love and I use every winter are the Madewell beanies. I feel like they have some of the best beanies. Sometimes they do color block designs, but for the most part, they have like the most beautiful heathered neutral colored beanies. And I have a couple from them and I love them. And I think they're like $30, but technically everything is like 30% off at Madewell right now. So you can get it at like $25. And the last thing that I have is a stone tea infuser. I know Fellow is mostly coffee, so if you have somebody who really likes tea, I feel like one of these that's handmade would be a really, really good gift. You could also find them on Etsy and get them like from a small business, and I feel like it would be a really meaningful gift. So those are kind of my rapid fire gift ideas, and those are all things mostly that I have and I really love, and I feel like I've gotten a ton of use out of this year, and things that I feel like would be just really good gifts for other people to have as well, because I've loved them so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my very first YouTube gift guide, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know where you guys are at in your Christmas shopping. I am actually almost done, believe it or not. So I'm very proud of myself. I did not procrastinate this year. We're pretty much on top of it, except for wrapping. I haven't started that yet, but leave me a comment. Let me know how far you guys are along on your Christmas shopping. Like I said, be sure to grab my mejrui discount linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.